Hi, I'm Taylor, and make sure you check out my interview on the beauty effect. I think for me, my first approach with beauty happened when I was about 13. I got a makeup lesson from my mom, and she kind of just taught me how to do all the basics, mascara, a little bit of lip gloss, stuff like that. And it was really fun. And she kind of taught me that less is more, and you should use makeup to enhance what you already have and not hide. For me, I think what makes me feel confident is being comfortable and feeling like I can kind of do anything. I like to work out. That also helps with my confidence. It just helps you keep a positive mindset and makes you feel like you're constantly progressing and changing and evolving. For me is a huge honor and a dream come true. They're such an amazing brand, so being able to be a part of it is very exciting, and every day I feel so lucky. The thing that I like the most is probably just their message to women that, you know, beauty comes from the inside and to be happy, and they love to spread the word of happiness. And I also love that they have a charitable component to the brand as well. They do a lot of work for Right Her Future, which is education for women in all kinds of different countries, and I think that's amazing. To just always be themselves, and that anything is possible, and to just embrace who you are, because we're all humans, so we all kind of go through similar things, and to just accept one another and connect and have fun. I love to hang out with my dog. He's the best. I take him on walks, we cuddle, I watch TV with him, and I like to hang out with my friends, my family, and just kind of have off time and days where I can just kind of do nothing is fun for me, and yeah. I think one of the most challenging things is probably just all of the travel. It's really fun, but at the same time, it can be very difficult because all of the different time zones and, you know, the work schedule can become quite overwhelming, but I just love that I get to do what I do, so it's not that much of a challenge. It can just be tiring. I think the hardest part is to not feel or look fatigued. I'm still kind of figuring it out. It is a struggle just because I do travel so much, but I think for me, the one thing I notice that helps the most is staying hydrated and drinking a lot of water. It's kind of hard to remember to do it all the time, but I definitely notice a really huge difference in the way I feel after a flight if I remember to drink water. So I really try to keep hydrated. I have in my bag always lip balm. I always need lip balm. Usually I'll travel with mascara because you never know when you need it.
I know.
You really never know. And also, let's see, what else do I always have?
Your cell phone, maybe.
Yeah, always my phone, always, of course, naturally, yeah. And my wallet, I always have to have my wallet, and yeah. I think a healthy lifestyle is just making sure that you're happy, and that you're doing things that you love, and to always take time for yourself and to make sure that you check in with yourself. For me, I like to make sure that I work out because it's kind of how I clear my head and my thoughts and process kind of everything that I do. It makes me feel like I have more energy. I love to sleep. I need to sleep. I'm a huge sleeper. I sleep like the dead. And also I just make time for my friends and family and my dog to see them because it just makes me feel happy and, you know, motivated to continue doing what I do. My favorite kind of workout is CrossFit. So I work with a trainer that helps me kind of just keep in shape in all kinds of different ways. My workout is different probably every day. I'm always doing something different, and I like that. I like that it's, you know, constantly being switched up and different challenges. It keeps me mentally engaged, and the hour flies by, which is the most important thing. You want to make sure you're having fun. For me, breakfast is a huge one. I love to have a good breakfast. I love scrambled eggs. I like having some sort of carb, like a toast with butter, coffee. I always have to have my coffee. And lunch, I love like grilled chicken and, you know, like a salad or Caesar salad. I love Caesar salad. Hot Cheetos. Everybody says is a sweet person. Everybody loves, oh, my guilty pleasure is chocolate or cupcakes. And I'm like, no, Hot Cheetos are my favorite. I love them so much. So I follow my dog, of course.
I didn't know he had a Instagram.
Yeah, he has an Instagram.
And do you manage it?
Yeah, I do. I do it, yeah. I follow my family, my siblings, my parents, my boyfriend, some friends of mine. I follow Beyonce, Rihanna, and then, you know, a lot of like women that I look up to and some models I think are amazing, Cindy Crawford, Audrey Hepburn, and Angelina Jolie. I just think that they're very beautiful, and also on the inside, they were amazing philanthropists and did a lot of charity work, which I think is amazing. For me, it's really important to make sure that I continue to use my platform to spread just positivity and love and a good message, and just help people, because, you know, I'm blessed in being able to be where I am. So I just want to make sure that I always use my position for something good or for a positive change. I think for me, my best beauty tip is less is more, and just be you. I like to keep it pretty simple. I usually just use, you know, like a concealer and mascara, and then maybe like a little bit of highlighter or something, and I'm off. I think for me, I have quite curly hair, so it can be hard to manage it. So I always usually just throw it up into a bun, but if I'm going to wear my hair down, I usually shower in the morning and diffuse it with a hair dryer so that the curls are more contained and not so frizzy. My ability to do what I've done, kind of. I never thought I would ever be here in a million years, and I just think that that's really cool, and I look forward to the future and seeing what else I can do and achieve. And I think I'm just, you know, I'm so happy to just be here in general. I mean, it's crazy.
Can you say something in Spanish for the camera?
Oh gosh, what should I say?
I don't know what you...
Hola, México, te amo.
Okay.